الله على النبي الكريم محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين. So you are there in Muqasamatul Jadd. Once again, to refresh your memory, Imam Abu Hanifa rahmatullahi alayhi says that grandfather is just like father in the absence of father. When father is there, so the brothers and sisters are not taking anything from the estate of the deceased. So he says same will be the case of grandfather, that they will get deprived. But Imam Abu Yusuf and Imam Muhammad rahmatullahi alayhi, along with Jamhur, Imam Malik, Imam Shafi and Ahmad ibn Hanbal rahimahumullah, they are of the view that the grandfather and brothers and sisters, they both are related to the deceased through one link, and that is the father link. The father who is the father of those brothers and sisters, and he is the son of the grandfather. So that's why we have to put them on equal basis. But there are three situations for the grandfather. Number one, because in situation we will be looking at what is good for the grandfather. We will not look at what is good for the brothers and sisters. What is good for the grandfather? So there are three situations. He may be given 1/6 for sure, as long as 1/6 is better for him. Better for him than muqasama. Number two, he may be given by way of muqasama if he inherited along with 2 or 3 or 4 brothers of the deceased, as muqasama is better for him. While in case of 5 brothers of the deceased, muqasama and 1/6 both are equal. So now, the solution of the case will be like this, of all 3 cases. Like this. So here is grandfather, brother, and brother. Two or 3 or 4. Because if he will give him 1/6, which is his share as a sharer, and the brothers would be residues. They would be residues. So now if it will make it like this, so he will take 1. Got it? Yeah. And the remaining 5 shares will go to the 2 brothers. Like this. So now they are taking more than the grandfather. Yeah. Got it? Or not?
Got it.
Got it. Yes. Here I put the fraction, but let me take away the fractions. What we are doing? These are 2 and their share is 5. So we will do like this.
12.
Case will go to 12. Got it?
2.
But the same madroob are multiplied with
By 2.
2.
5.
So 2,
5, 5.
5 and 5. So the grandfather is taking 2 and the two brothers are taking
5.
5, 5. So it means that in this case, the 1/6 is a share is not good or better for him. So what we will do? We will consider him just like one brother. Got it? So when just like one brother, so they are 3.
So 1, 1.
So he will take 1, 1.
So
Got it? Because muqasama is better for him. He is taking more than share. Got it?
got it.
Or not it?
Got it.
If muqasama and share is one and the same, so here, first you should give him as sharer 1/6. So he will take 1.
5.
What remains?
5.
5.
1, 1, 1.
So the 5 brothers, they will take 1, 1. Now, other way around, just think of him that he is one like the brothers. So then, from the very beginning of the case, will be from 6. Again, he will take 1 out of 6. But if these brothers are more than 5, 6. Got it? So here, in case of sharer, he will take 1. How much will remain?
5.
5. And how many are the brothers?
6.
6. 6 and 5?
30.
Tabayun.
Tabayan.
The relation is?
Tabayun.
Tabayun. So 5 multiplied by 6. 30. So everyone will take?
5.
Huh? Say. Everyone will take what?
400.
Huh?
4.16.
That's 6.
That's
muqasama. So furthermore, inshallah, wa sallallahu ta'ala ala khair khalqihi, Muhammadin wa alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. And in this case, fatwa is on the saying of Abu Yusuf and Muhammad. Got it?